those are all our hopes and dreams. Long ago painted over and gone, so it seems. But if these walls could talk, they'd probably tell you all the mess. How to bring it by my secrets, all the ones I can't confess. Living only once for the great reveal. As soon as I struck my eyes, it became all too real. Maybe one day the walls will cry, wash away that shield. Crying solitude from me, and all I worked so hard to conceal. So you better watch your step when you walk that line. Don't you creep on back into the depths of my mind. You better walk away, go live your lonely life instead of taking the footsteps of mine. It may be broken, but at least it's mine. Down those stairs where I left a piece of me.